Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Let's Decode Biology. In this video I am going to discuss about the fundamental life processes human excretory system. This is the first video in this category, human excretory system. So let's start without any delay. Here I have already drawn the structure of human excretory system. Now let's label it and understand it. How is it? This is we can see that here are two bean shaped structures. These are two bean shaped structures named as kidneys. One pair of kidneys are present in human excretory system. These kidneys are then connected to the urinary bladder. This is the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. Here we can see the tube-like structures. These tube-like structures are ureters. These structures are known as ureters. Here a one pair of ureter is present. Ureter, one pair. One pair of ureters is present in human excretory system. Ureters are tube-like structure which connect the kidneys to the urinary bladder. What actually happens is urine is formed within the kidneys, and then urine is carried out from kidneys to urinary bladder with the help of ureters. So ureters connect kidneys with the urinary bladder, and then that urine is stored in urinary bladder for some time, and ultimately urine is excreted out of the body through the opening known as urethra. This is the passage for outward flow of urine, for removal of urine from the body. So this is the schematic outline of excretory system. Here we can see two blood vessels also. One is drawn in blue and other is in red. The vessel which is drawn in blue is known as renal vein. This is renal vein, and this which is drawn in red is known as renal artery. As I have explained you in the video of circulatory system, arteries are those blood vessels which carry blood from heart to various body organs, whereas veins collect the blood from organs to and carry it towards the heart. So renal artery is the blood vessel which is carrying blood, which is supplying blood from heart to the kidneys. So this blood which is supplied from the heart is oxygenated, that's why it is drawn in red, and the blood which is collected from the kidneys to supply to send it to the heart is deoxygenated, that is why it is drawn in blue. So the this red colored vessel, renal artery, sends the blood to the kidneys where blood is purified. Here there is removal of nitrogenous waste from the kidneys with the help of kidneys. So in lungs, oxygenation of blood is carried out. So there is removal of gaseous waste, removal of carbon dioxide. Okay, and in kidneys there is removal of nitrogenous waste, metabolic nitrogenous waste from the blood. So blood comes in kidneys for purification, blood goes to lungs also for purification, but in lungs there is removal of gaseous waste, and in kidneys there is removal of nitrogenous waste. So what kind of nitrogenous waste is produced by humans? That is urea. Urea is a type of nitrogenous waste which is excreted by human beings. Urea is present in the urine, and it is toxic if it gets accumulated in the body. That's why kidneys have to remove it from the blood, and then it is expelled out of the body in the form of urine. So in this video we have discussed about the general outline of excretory system. This is the whole diagrammatic representation where I have shown you the renal artery which supplies oxygenated blood from heart to the kidneys, and now kidneys have to remove nitrogenous waste from the blood. Then the renal vein is the blood vessel which collects blood from kidneys and supply to the hearts. This blood which is sent through the renal vein to the heart is free of nitrogenous waste, no nitrogenous waste is present in the blood which is exported out from the kidneys towards the heart. So kidneys have to filter the blood, and this process is known as purification or removal of nitrogenous waste. Then urine is produced within the kidneys, which is sent to the urinary bladder through the ureters. Urinary bladder stores urine, and there is a volume or capacity of urinary bladder to store urine. Once urinary bladder is full, then signal from brain cause removal of urine or emptying of urinary bladder through the urethra. Urethra is the opening from where urine is expelled out of the body. This is the general or basics of excretory system. Hope you get it. If you find it helpful, share it with your friends. In the next video of excretory system, we will discuss about the structure of nephron and the process of formation of urine. So thank you. Thanks for listening.